Hey guys, Anthony back again from Best Abrasives. Today we're really excited to unbox the newly released Deros II. So let's open her up. Okay, so first thing we're greeted with is your 2+1 warranty booklet. So please read that. And it also comes with a little collar there with a QR code so you can quickly register your tool, which we highly recommend. You've also got your user manual. It comes complete with various Abrasives mesh, and you get a pad saver with it too, and that's very important to use to save your backing pad. We have a 4-meter 240 volt cable, so you're ready to go. And we also have some balancing screws. Now if we look at the unit itself, there she is. So that's the new Deros II. Comes standard with a 6-inch backing pad. And of course some of the key differences are, now we have a LED light indicator to show where you're currently at with your RPM. And of course you can change that on the fly, but now you can visually see it, so that it takes the guesswork with that. Also, this Deros II comes complete with a 400 watt motor. So an even more powerful motor, but it hasn't sacrificed any weight. And the Deros II also comes with enhanced Bluetooth connectivity. Deros, where power meets precision.